How to fix Anno 1800 DirectX error on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Install the latest game patch. 3. Switch DirectX, XD, versions. 3.1. If you're running DirectX 11 or below, update DirectX 12. 3.2. If you're running DirectX 12, switch to DirectX 11. 3.2.1 Open the engine.ini. File at c:\users\user\documents\anno 1800 /config. 3.2.2 Change device type, DX12 to DX11 and, adapter, 1 to adapter, 0 refer to the IMG below. 4. Check if your PC meets the system requirements for Anno 1800. Upgrade your hardware if possible.